Okay, good evening. So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I am recording again because lately our recording for this XRecorder review just interrupted because my sister having her first day of training and I don't want to disturb her, so I just stop recording. Okay, so let's continue. I think we've stopped here. Okay, so we are in a third, the usual questions. So we have, why can't I record and why can't I record internal audio? So, Android does not allow other apps to record internal or audio, but you can record it with a microphone. Okay, so I'm using the microphone now. Next, why is there only one side sound when recording a video call? Due to Android policy, other apps can't record the internal sound of your phone. So we can only record sound with microphone. The audio recording is unavailable when the video call up using your microphone. Okay, so there's no way that I can record or screen recording my video call with my mother. And that's okay, that's fine. Why is my video divided into several parts? So it just not happened to me. There is a size limitation for videos on most phones. Maybe because I am using Huawei, then I get the big sizes here. And then if the size reach the limitation, the video will break. So we divide the recording into several parts to avoid this problem. So thanks. I never experienced it. Okay, why is the image of my video all black? Okay, it happened to me sometimes. Open the video with other video playing tools. Some app, okay, or resource are not allowed to record due to the copyright issue. Why that is why. My next question. Why is the video duration time less than the recording duration? There is a size limitation for videos on most phones. Okay, it's just the same for the other questions. So if the size reach the limitation, the video will break. So we divided the recording into several parts to avoid this problem. You can check your video list. There should be other video pieces. The next, why does the quality of the video get bad when shared to other platforms? Okay, this happened to me. Because I usually share my or my screen recording video to a messenger, and sometimes it get blurred. So the image quality may be compressed by the platform you share to. You can send the original file manually to ensure quality. Why the direction of the recording video does not rotate automatically? The direction of the video cannot be changed. You can enter the app you want to record or stay in the full screen mode first, then start recording. That's just what I do as always. Why can't I press start now button to start recording? If you can't press the start now button, please deactivate other apps that cover screen, blue light screen filter app, etc. Turn off the show on top permission of XRecorder first, then check whether you can press the start now button. So it depends. Why can't I record video on Xiaomi phone? There is a necessary permission for Xiaomi. You can open system settings, find XRecorder on apps, find permission, open start in the background. So that is why every phone has a permission. Why is there always an error when recording for Android 5.1? When you start recording, there is a system pop-up window to confirm and do not check, do not show again option. Simply click start now. If you already checked do not show again option, reinstall XRecorder. For me, it is the best screen recorder because I almost installed maybe 5 applications for screen recording, and I'm happy with X recording app. I like it. Is my personal information safe when I use X recorder? Okay, I totally think of this also. X recorder won't spy, collect, or share any private data of users. We do not know the specific content of your recordings. Okay, that's good. Next, it is the new. Why does the system have permission prompts uh, which seems insecure? Papause na ako. Gabi na kasi. Okay, the system notification panel sometimes prompts that X recorder is displaying content on top of other apps or using audio. This is a regular system prompt without any security threats. If you disable the permission, the recording function will be restricted and the floating ball can't be used. Okay, next. Why does the system have... Okay, the last question. The frequent questions that the users usually ask. Why is the CAS functions enabled when recording the screen? The answer is some devices will turn on the CAS switch when recording the screen, so this is controlled by the system. X recorder will not actually use the CAS function. Okay, that's all for the we're checking for the crash, sound, video, record, and privacy. So let's check the crash. Okay, so this is the all fact. So I think we're done to it. Now we go to the feedback. So if you have a good feedback, just or any issues that you have encountered, you can report bugs and tell us what to improve for an improvement. But for me, I'm happy to it because they answered my question. My only concern is all about the using an audio and microphone, or I want to record an audio while using other application, like a messenger, well, video call. But I think it is not possible to do. Next is the debug log, only used for reporting bugs. I kind of like this feature. These two features, the feedback and the debug log, because for me it will help the developer to improve more about this application. Kind nice to me. Okay, there's an option to share. If you want to share this application, you can just click this share button or options, and you can share it to Gmail or whatever. Usually you can share it to Facebook. I only have Facebook and email, but I'm using it as a personal email. So usually I'm going to share it to my friends in Facebook. Okay, we have a privacy policy. Okay. There's no internet connections. And terms, there's no internet connections either. Okay, we've got a version here. It is version 1.4.3.1. And now let's go to recording. How I am going to record. I just click here. There's a pose tab, brush for an edit, and this icon, the right side, the upper corner. It's just always keeping off. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, let me check the edit options. I didn't use it. Should I try it? Okay, let's try it. Maybe this one. And then next. What I'm going to do. Okay, this is my first time using this edit tool. Maybe should I speed it up? Huh? Okay. Oh my god. It's not good. Maybe we were going to copyright it. I'm going to cut it. Uh-huh. I can upload it to YouTube channel if there's a sound. Okay. I think I'm going to show it to you like the... Okay, I'm going to stop first muna. And then continue to the other part because I don't want to edit this video.